Sorry the snail had one dream: to race the wind. Morning light touched the forest floor, dappling through a canopy of green. A tiny snail, Sorry, slid across the damp earth of a well-trodden path. The path was a racetrack, carved out by the paws and hooves of the forest's swiftest creatures. Nearby, a swift rabbit twitched his nose, a deer stretched its long legs, and a fox flicked its bushy tail. They whispered and chuckled as Sorry approached the starting line. "A snail?" one laughed. "He wants to race the wind?" "You're too slow," sneered the fox. "You'll never even make it past the first bend." But Sorry's spirit, though housed in a small shell, was vast and unyielding. Hope gleamed on his tiny eye stalks. The race began. The wind howled, a playful challenger. Leaves and petals swirled into the air, dancing around the competitors. The fast animals shot forward, a blur of fur and feathers. The rabbit was a streak of white. The deer bounded effortlessly. The fox moved like a russet shadow. They left Sorry far behind, a tiny solitary speck on the starting line. The crowd of watching animals jeered. But Sorry moved, slowly, steadily. His single muscular foot gripped the earth. He left a shimmering silver trail in his wake, a testament to his journey. Inch by inch, he advanced. He saw the world in magnificent detail: the veins on a fallen leaf, the intricate pattern of a mushroom, the determined march of an ant. The wind rushed past him, trying to push him back, but his focus was absolute. He would not stop. Suddenly, the sky darkened. The playful wind turned into a furious gale. A storm exploded through the trees. Thunder cracked like a giant whip, and rain fell in thick, heavy sheets. The forest path became a slick river of mud. The fast animals, who had relied on their speed, tumbled and slipped. The rabbit's powerful legs spun uselessly in the mire. The deer lost its footing and slid into a thicket of thorns. The fox, blinded by the downpour, scrambled for shelter, giving up the race entirely. They had been fast, but they were not prepared for the struggle. But Sorry held the ground. His low, heavy shell was an anchor. His slow, deliberate pace was perfect for the treacherous terrain. While others were thrown off course by the chaos, he pressed on, inch by inch, never stopping. The raging wind could not dislodge him. The pouring rain could not deter him. He was a small, unshakable force of will against the fury of nature. When the storm calmed, the sun broke through the clouds. The path was empty, littered with fallen branches and defeated racers nursing their pride. The forest was silent, dripping and clean, except for Sorry crossing the finish line. One tiny step at a time. The other animals watched in stunned silence, their mockery turned to awe. They saw the shimmering trail he had left, a testament to a journey that was not about speed, but about persistence. Sorry had not beaten the wind by being faster. He had won by refusing to be stopped. You don't need to be fast, you just need to keep going.